Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening to you all. I hope you're all well at home and it's time that I need your help. What is this that I have discovered in a mixed job lot off eBay? We've got a bulldog perhaps on the back of this token and on the front, Thunder Leisure Group. If anybody knows anything about this, please hit it in the comments section below. And in a couple of days' time, hopefully, somebody knows a lot more than I do. I can't seem to find this anywhere on the internet, so if anybody can help me out, I really will appreciate it. I know it's my job to tell you guys about coins, but nobody knows everything, and that's the best thing about coin collecting, and especially getting different mixed job lots off eBay. You can uncover little tokens like this, little commemorative tokens, and again, it'd be nice to find out a little bit about this one. So if anybody knows anything, please do hit it in the comments section below. And also, please hit in the comments if maybe you've picked up a token in a job lot, maybe from a car boot sale, and we'll talk about some of your tokens when we try and find out a little bit of knowledge about this one in a couple of days' time. Again, hope you're all having a really nice bank holiday weekend. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.